Good morning, everybody from Texas, Tejas. I hope that wherever you're at, you're having a great day, and appreciate you stopping by to watch our videos. Well, Melinda took out with Ate Helen that's living here next door. So we got two Filipinos on the farm, as I've told, and they went to join up with Melinda's sister and some other Filipinas, and they're having a little girl time out. I think they're gonna go eat over at a Thai restaurant in the city of Rockwall over at Lake Ray Hubbard. Beautiful area, very beautiful area. So they're all excited out doing that. Melinda got up early, did all of her chores, and they were gone. Choo, gone. See, we had that all clean, and it made all of this on there just in the time we were gone. Just look at that. And boats will do the same thing. So well, Michael, he's getting it all power washed down. It's looking much better, very much better. Still gonna have to be scrubbed over even after that. It's not getting it all, yeah, but you can take your fingers. So we will have to come back and apply something on there to clean that and hit it again. Some places aren't that bad, but it's definitely an improvement here though. We took turns on this thing. He'll stop, use and rest for a while, and I run the power washer and I wash the zero turn mower down with it. Give him a break off of it for a while, but we're just kind of rotating out, knocking it out. Well, I think I got some people pulling up here to look at a truck I got for sale, so I'll get right back at you. Well, we got a little interruption there, and Ruben bought the truck. Nice guy, very nice guy. I just really enjoyed just talking to him and everything. It's nice to meet new people, especially when it's really nice people like him. So that's pretty cool. The first person come out and looked at the truck, bought the truck, and I didn't have to deal with a whole bunch of other people. Well, as luck would have it, I got rained out. Cannot believe it. Yeah, I just got rained out. Just got started. I got about maybe 4 or 5 rounds made, maybe 6. And I saw a few sprinkles hit the windshield. Then it kind of quit, and then next thing you know, it was already right back again. So I guess that's the luck right there. Well, I guess all I can do is get my butt wet here on the seat and roll out. Well, good morning, everybody. It is a bright sunny day here in Texas, and there is not a cloud in the sky. Not today. Was yesterday. Well, we're gonna get this day going. I've got hay to cut. I've got Michael here helping me again, and we're trying to fix things around here one by one and do make readies on items that we are wanting to sell and get rid of, or that we're wanting to use as well. He cleaned up my fifth wheel yesterday. Man, doesn't that look nice? It's like a whole different machine when you get all of that stuff that gets on there and builds up from just sitting. But that's looking really good. Other things happening here. We got yesterday the zero turn, one of them, all cleaned up as well. And getting it ready. I'm going to sell it too, because we're trying to eliminate owning so much stuff here in Texas, so we can enjoy not only our time in the Philippines more, but traveling other places as well, without so many things that need batteries, that need tires, that need oil changes, that you got to watch out about gas going bad in, registrations and insurances and all those things, you know, that eat your money and your time away. Well, that's some of the projects going on right now. Michael and I just put a new battery in the back of the Prius, not the big main battery, but the 12-volt battery. And we're gonna get the Prius out, clean it up, and get it back on its feet. Melinda wants to sell it also, so we're gonna get it ready to sell, get rid of all the nonsense, keep our life as free and mobile as we can. Well, I'm gonna see what happens here. This Prius hasn't been started in a year. Let's see what happens. Dash come on. The thing about these Priuses, you can't just not drive them and let them sit. It's all computer controlled, and that computer's constantly dealing with this car, even when it's just sitting parked. And just after a few weeks, it'll drain the 12-volt battery on here, and the car can no longer operate. And that battery is down in the trunk, in the bottom of the rear quarter panel. So it is a job to get to, and it's an expensive 12-volt battery that's made safe to be inside the vehicle, not putting off gases inside the vehicle. So that's the thing about these is that you can't just let them sit and do nothing. Now, what is pretty cool, this hasn't been started in a year, and the hybrid battery, the high voltage battery, look, it still has a lot of charge in it, even after sitting for a year now, because we didn't start it for several months before we left to go to the Philippines. Just got this hillside done. Well, I walked down there and I looked at that bottom land, and it's going to be a very hot day. It's a very sunny day, and before I change out and remove the hay cutter and put the baler back on the tractor and all that, that's a lot of work, especially this 3-point hay cutter. Man, these things are a pain putting on and taking off and all. I think what I'm going to do is just let the tractor sit right here and come back down here and check it this afternoon and see if some of those areas have firmed up enough that I don't have to make all these big circles around low spots and all of that. And I can just cut the whole rest of the field. So I'm gonna just hold on and reevaluate it later this afternoon and see if there might be a chance I could get in there on that. Well, it's been a busy day here at the farm. I cut hay, as you seen earlier there. Put a new belt on the 0 turn, put a new fuel shutoff on the 0 turn, put a new fuel filter on 0 turn. Got all that going, and it's going out there on Facebook Marketplace for sale. I just got it posted, trying to eliminate stuff around here. And so, talking about eliminating, this smoker that I had repainted, I didn't really push selling it because of this bad firebox down here. You see the rust on the bottom and all. The top of it is all still really solid. It's just only down low where they didn't keep the ash cleaned out, and the ash got wet and damaged it right there. So I've got this piece of tread plate. This is the back side that's smooth. It's an old scrap piece I had around here, and it's just like this tread plate right here. I'm going to cut it and make some patching pieces to go around the bottom, maybe about 6 inches up around the bottom there on it.